Start, sir.
Hello, I am Dr. Aviral. I am surgeon at Bombay Hospital. He is Dr. Avinash. He is a DM pulmonologist, and today basically this lady is recurrent right-sided pleural effusion, maybe related to some cardiac condition. So I have put this Plurex, we can say catheter system, basically Plurex subcutaneous tunnel catheter. So advantage of this, we can at any time close it, at any time open it, and whenever we want to drain the pleural fluid, we can drain. So my aspect is surgical, and then Dr. Avinash will also explain medical reason. So the concept is a cell danger technique, and there are two opening, and this is that. We can say the first part, we have to insert the needle and make a safe entry into the pleural cavity, and then somehow this, with the help of this tunneler, we have to make the tunnel. This is the entry point of the catheter, and this is the entry point into the pleural cavity. So this is the tunneler which help in making the subcutaneous tunnel, and with the help of dilator we have to dilate the tract of this tunnel from the in between the intercostal cartilage and make it wide and insert this catheter there, so that there should not be a compression. And finally, with the help of, so interesting and good thing about this catheter, the entry point is from here, but it is traveling around 6 to 8 centimeter in subcutaneous plane, and without going into any kinking, this is directly going into the pleural cavity. And now you can see the connection and pipe here, and this is that bottle from which you can just drain it. So this is the draining reservoir which is draining the all pleural cavity. So indication of this procedure better Dr. Avinash will explain you.
So basically our patient had right recurrent pleural effusion. In this case, it was a cause of transudative effusion because of heart failure. Patient is planned for cardiac transplant, but she was having right-sided recurrent effusion, and there were two pigtails which were placed before, but they were displaced and then came out. So we thought about putting this. The benefit of this process is that patient can, there are less chances of displacement, and then patient can self-drain his procedure. So patient can easily remove her fluid by her own whenever required. So we have these suction bottles which are available, which is provided with this tube. Whenever patient feels dyspneic, she can attach this bottle and can drain her fluid at her home also. So that is the most important benefit. Other indication always remains a malignant effusion.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.